How to install or update your NVIDIA graphics card driver to version 616.56. First, open the official NVIDIA driver download page. https://www.nvidia.com/download/index.aspx. Select your graphics card, operating system, and other required options, then click Search. On the results page, look for GeForce Game Ready Driver 616.56. Click View, then select Download. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded exe file and click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Click OK, then select Agree and Continue. Choose Custom Installation and click Next. Now, make sure you check Perform a clean installation, then click Next. Wait for the installation to complete. When it's finished, restart your PC. After restarting, your NVIDIA graphics driver should be updated to version 616.56. And that's it. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.